Good afternoon, Durham. I'm Jenkins, Director of the Durham County Department of Public Health. I'm here with updates on COVID vaccinations for kids, an upcoming opportunity to pick up free at-home tests, answers to questions about monkeypox, and safety reminders as we head into the holiday weekend. First, good news, Durham. COVID-19 vaccines are finally available for children under the age of 5. All children ages 6 months or older are eligible to receive Moderna or Pfizer COVID vaccines. I know that our parents have long awaited this moment, and we couldn't be more thrilled that the time is finally here. These vaccines have been thoroughly tested and proven safe, and they can help keep your kids from becoming seriously ill. It's important to bring your kids to take their shots as soon as possible. Getting your kids vaccinated here at the Durham County Department of Public Health is easy. Shots are available by walk-in or appointments for kids who are at least 6 months old. We're offering both Moderna and Pfizer, and as always, these shots are free for everyone, no health insurance required. No ID is needed in order for your children to be vaccinated, but please remember that kids must come in with a parent or guardian at least 18 years old. Call us at 919-560-9217 to make an appointment or visit us for a walk-in during our regular clinic hours shown on the screen. For more information, you can also visit our website at decopublichealth.org/COVID vaccines. We are off to a great start with this new age group. Next, remember that even if you've been vaccinated, it's still important to get tested if you've been exposed to COVID or are not feeling well. Our partners at OptumServe continue to offer free COVID-19 testing in the Lakewood Shopping Center near El Centro Hispano, and soon there will be an easy way for you to pick up free home tests when you need them. We are working with the state and our local partners to provide community access points where anyone will be able to pick up free at-home COVID tests. Home tests are a great tool for preventing the spread of the virus, and they can be just as effective as PCR tests. Just remember to follow all directions indicated on the package, and as the CDC recommends, consider retesting in the days after your first test if you test negative. We look forward to being able to distribute these tests in the community to help slow the spread of COVID-19. Stay tuned for more information in the coming weeks. Next, stepping away from COVID for just a moment, I want to address a few questions we've received about monkeypox. As you may have heard, the first case of monkeypox was recently confirmed in North Carolina. So far, no cases have been confirmed in Durham County, but we are still closely monitoring the situation. We are working with the state and the CDC to stay up to date on monkeypox information, and we will follow the state's guidance for any safety measures. Per state guidance, monkeypox vaccinations are not currently being administered here, but if this guidance changes in the future, we will update the community and work to provide any necessary mitigation measures. As we head into this holiday weekend, please remember that COVID is not over. If you choose to gather with others, please do so as safely as possible. Host your gatherings outdoors if possible, but if you will be indoors, take steps to stay safe. Wear a mask in crowded indoor spaces and increase ventilation by opening doors and windows or using an air filter to help reduce COVID particles in the air. And of course, stay home if you're not feeling well or have recently been exposed to COVID. Lots of good news this week, as vaccines are now available for our children, and we will soon have better access to home testing. We are not in the clear yet. Please remember your tried and true COVID safety measures this long weekend. As always, I know that we can do this, Durham.